Ready for a tour beyond houses? I'm Tami Neuberger, your go-to real estate expert with eXp Realty. And today we're taking a deep dive into the vibrant life of Moore County. We're going on an exclusive journey to uncover local treasures and meet incredible individuals that make Moore County truly unique. From real estate insights to thriving local businesses, we're covering it all. And guess what? I have an exciting surprise for you. Today we're at a place where the heart of the community shines through every aspect. Here, passion meets purpose, offering us a unique glimpse into what makes Moore County so special. But before we embark on this adventure, leave me a comment and let me know where you're from and what business you want to hear more about. Now let's make sure you're all set to join me on many more. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button, and dive into the world of living in Moore County with me. I'm here at HomeGrown, and today we're going to learn about Darrell and what his business offers to the community. What's up, everybody? I'm Tami Neuberger with Living in Moore County, and today I have a special treat for you. I'm here with the owner of HomeGrown Restaurant, Darrell, and we're going to be talking about his place and what makes it special to Moore County. So, Darrell, tell us the details.
Details about Homegrown is we're American style, farm to table, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 6:30 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Nice. And then where are you located?
We are located in the large town of Vass, North Carolina. We're large because we have 2 stoplights. But it is I've been in Vass now for about 19 years. It's it's growing. It used to be a very, very, very much a farm town, but still kind of is. Mm-hmm. So that's where our portions and how we do things come from.
Nice. And why don't you tell us how you got started?
I got started very roughly in 2020, in the middle of the height of COVID. But the community supported me really well, and had good backing from everybody. So the start was rough, but we've gotten better, and we continue to get better every day.
Nice. And then where did your vision come from for this place?
My vision came from just following in the footsteps of the Miller's family restaurant when it was here. It was a real staple in the town, not only a place to come and eat, but it was a place that, people caught up on events, news, school. It was kind of like, the hangout spot for most everybody here in Vass. And so when that disappeared, I feel like a little bit of the camaraderie of Vass went with it. So my vision was to restore that and make it better.
Gotcha. Nice. And then what were the challenges you faced along the way? I know you said COVID, so yes. That was a big one. Did you have any other ones?
Yeah, we stumbled across some challenges with pricing with stuff. Mm-hmm. We use the only thing frozen we have here are fries and chips. So beef went up, eggs went up, milk went up. So that was a real challenge for us. But we were able to find a good medium between still getting the freshest products we could, mm-hmm. and not charging an arm and a leg for them.
Right. Who are some of the people that helped mold you and influence you?
Oh man, I don't know if we have enough time.
We have as much time as you want.
That's a lot of people. But specifically, we'll go with my wife first, Melissa. My mother and father, Beth and Dan. My siblings have been really supportive, mm-hmm. On both sides of the family, my side and my wife's side. Coach Mike Apple, Adam Valenti, Lucy Valenti from the Valenti's restaurant, Tim Nocton from Sand Hills, and definitely Shelby Baysinger and Alicia Riggin. A lot of pretty much the whole Sand Hills, the whole Sand Hills crew. They really, really pushed me towards being successful.
Gotcha, nice. What makes you stand out in the community?
me being 5'6".
His character.
A giant.
You got to come and meet him.
Yeah. What makes me stand out in the community is my love for the community. Period. I really, whatever I can do for the community, I'm going to do it, and I'm not going to take the cheap way about it. Taking care of the community and the people within it is my number one thing that's really close to my heart. It's who I am. It's who we are here as a restaurant, and that's what we want to portray to people. So that's my biggest thing is taking care of the community.
Right, and I do believe, talking to you from before, that you give school lunches or do something with the school.
Absolutely. So we deliver to all the schools in Moore County for free, hospitals, churches for free, and they also have a different pay rate than a different catering pay rate than other people, just to help those that help our community. Teaching and first responders are always first in our hearts here. Law enforcement gets 50% off. It doesn't matter whether your badge is from California or here in Vass, you're going to get 50% off, because that's just a small token of thank you for what you do every day for us. So
right, and you do RedCross?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I am. We're partnered with RedCross. They can call us, and I think my window is between 12 and 24 hours. And yeah, so I'm like, as soon as the tornado touches down, don't call me. I'm not going to be ready. But give us about 12 to 24 hours, and we're going to feed as many people as we can.
Nice. That's really good. My favorite is, what kind of events can people look forward to here?
Oh man, so we have music bingo every other Friday, and that's hosted by our lovely Lisa. She is fantastic, a great friend of mine, that brings a great crowd, a great atmosphere. It is family friendly. If Lisa looks out into the crowd and sees a bunch of kids, then we'll probably start our first round off with something like Disney or something. But all the music is family friendly, so that's something to look forward to. Towards the warmer months here in Carolina coming up, we do live music. Mm-hmm. So it's whoever, if you're an aspiring artist and you want to come out and start here, you can. We base that off of whoever's available. So we live music, different specials weekly. We just try and keep it as fresh as possible here.
Gotcha. Nice. What is the one thing on the menu you would recommend?
Get two of everything, just to be safe. That's a very, very hard but very very popular question. Seeing that we make about 85% of our menu here, what would I recommend? You can't go wrong with our old-fashioned cheeseburger. The old-fashioned cheeseburger is a cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, onion. Boom. I mean, you can't get any better than that. We do simple food, just done well here.
Gotcha. Favorite drink? Because I know you have a special drink menu.
We do have a special drink menu. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's all here. And we're also partnered with a couple of local breweries and cider houses, mm-hmm. James Creek, Hatchet, and Southern Ponds. My favorite drink here would be water, of course, because I don't drink.
Nothing wrong with that,
right? But if I had to choose a favorite alcoholic drink, since I made them all myself, I would say the peanut butter jammin'.
And your drinks are named after?
Yeah, all our drinks here are named after my sisters-in-law, and my wife has one. Right,
so that's why you can't name a favorite.
That's why I can't. That's asking me what my favorite sister is. I can't. What's my response? Jamie? No. Kelsey? Bree? No.
Well, I have had the Havens.
Yeah, Hannah's
Haven.
Yeah, Hannah's Haven.
And I did have the peanut butter one too. So yeah, those are good.
Good. Yeah, yeah. Hannah is my wife's sister. She's very dear to me. So, and they're all, the base of them is their favorite liquor.
Okay.
So you know, I took their favorite liquors and made a unique drink out of it.
Nice. See, so there's some story behind it when you come here.
Yeah, absolutely.
The best compliment your business has ever gotten, or you.
My best compliment is definitely the way we greet people here, and you come once, you're part of we call it the HG family, the homegrown family. But by far the best compliment is not the food, but the way people are treated here. That by far, because you can have great food, but you know, if you have great food and terrible service, people remember not the food, but they remember how they're treated.
Very, very true. Very true. If I were to move to Moore County, what is the one thing you would tell me that I need to do, or somebody moving to Moore County?
What you would need to do if you move to Moore County is based on where you're living in Moore County. Go explore that area. Go explore all the small businesses. The downtowns of every area are really nice, and just get to know that area, and then start there, and then you know branch out into the rest of Moore County. But start with the town that you're in. You know, see what's going on. You can subscribe to the Pine Times. And see what all events are going on, and that's a great way to see. All right, so maybe you live in Carthage, and you want to see what's going on in Aberdeen. You know, just familiarize yourself with your town and then your county. Right.
Now, if somebody's here eating, and they want to go, there's an art gallery here.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So Artworks with my friend Jean down the street. She does a fantastic job with everything, whether you want to do pottery or blown glass, or just browse and clear your mind with all the wonderful paintings from all the different artists that are in there. Then that is the place to go. Jean also allows me to hang some of the paintings here at the restaurant. That way, one, I don't have to spend too much brain cells that I'm not afforded a lot of on decorating, and two, it's a good way for people to say, hey, where'd that art come from? And I can tell them, hey, it came from down the street. They can purchase it. They can take the tag off here and then go purchase it down the street. But just so if you stopped in town, it's just a little something to say, hey, look, there's other places around here.
Right.
So just a little bit of advertising for everybody.
There you go. Hey, that's what it's about.
That's right.
The best perk of being a business owner.
The best perk of being a business owner is I can set the stipulations on how many people I can help and how to help them, how to best help them. Now my advisory board, which is headed by my mother, she's a very brilliant businesswoman. She'll kind of reel me in sometimes because I am very charitable. But as far as being an owner of something, it gives me great pride to pick and choose who I partner with and who's going to be best for not only me but for the community.
Right. Good. You always got to listen to your mom.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely. She's still the scariest person. The scariest, nicest, gentlest person on the earth. Beth Dent.
So, this is your little 30-second to claim here. So invite people on out and how they can find you again.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So again, my name is Darrell Yates, and I'm the owner here at HomeGrown. I'm the owner, but I am not HomeGrown itself. The HomeGrown itself is built with great people, or who are here, from all our chefs to our wait staff. That's who we are. So when you think of HomeGrown, don't just think of Darrell, because I could not do it. I wouldn't be here with Tami if it wasn't for our wonderful and great staff and family members. Come find us at 3400 US 1 Business. Again, we're open 6 days a week, Monday through Saturday, 6:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. And again, we have a Facebook and Instagram page where if you don't hear it while you're here at the restaurant with everything going on, then you can check those pages and look at our specials and upcoming events.
There you go. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Bye, Moore County, and everybody that's not in Moore County yet.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. If you have any real estate needs, please reach out to me directly. Stay tuned for your next video, and until then, I see you living in Moore County.